In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy a Metro card in New York City. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. A Metro card is the essential ticket for using the subway and bus systems in New York City. In this video, I'm going to talk about the locations, the payment options, the types of Metro card, and the purchase process. So first, for the purchase locations. Look around subway stations. There are Metro card vending machines at most subway stations. You can also look for them in station booths. So some stations have staff booths where you can purchase Metro cards. You usually see the logo or some sort of poster indicating that you can purchase them there. And finally, many convenience stores, pharmacies, and newsstands also sell Metro cards because they are authorized retailers. Next, you have the payment options. You can purchase a Metro card using cash at vending machines or staff booths, and most vending machines and staff booths also accept credit and debit cards, so choose between cash or debit cards. And next, you have the types. You have three main types: unlimited ride Metro card, paper ride Metro card, and single ride. So for unlimited ride, this is going to offer unlimited rides for a specific period, usually a week or a month. Next, you have paper ride. As the name suggests, this is going to allow you to add value and pay per each ride that you do. And finally, you have single ride. This is going to be a one-time use ticket for a single ride. For the purchase process, you just have to choose the type, insert the payment, so insert your cash or swipe your card at the vending machine or pay at the staff booth, and you will receive your Metro card. It is now ready to be used. To actually use it, just swipe or tap your Metro card or on the fare reader to enter the subway or the bus. Check your balance, so by regularly checking your remaining balance on the vending machine or the screen or the MTA app, you will be able to keep track of how many rides you still have. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy Metro card in New York City. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.